Facebook Messenger audio and video call not working on iPhone or iPad. Whether your calls are not connecting, you can't hear the other person, or the video won't work, it's a common issue that can be fixed. Let's dive in. Make sure you are using the latest version of Messenger. Open the App Store, search for the app Messenger, and check if an update is available. If you find the option of update over here, just click on it and update the Messenger to its latest version. Now check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Messenger calls needs a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data to see if your connection improves. Then go ahead and enable microphone and camera permission for Messenger. Go ahead and launch your Messenger. Open the conversation with anyone. Now at the top right you'll find these icon for calls and video call. Click on it. With that you're gonna get this kind of pop-up. Now you have to give the permission. Open settings and allow permission for microphone and camera. Also, you can uninstall Messenger and reinstall it from the App Store. This can clear out any bugs or corrupted files causing the audio or video call issues. If the calls still are not working, try resetting your network settings. Go to your settings, scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Scroll down, click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now continue with the process. After you do that, your problem might be fixed. This will reset your Wi-Fi, cellular and Bluetooth settings, potentially resolving any connectivity issues. And that's how you fix Messenger audio and video call issues on iPhone or iPad. By following these steps, you'll be back to chatting with your friends and family in no time. If this guide helped you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.